I got a shipment that's a little bit exciting. Just gonna find something to cut it up with. A scissor will work if I can find one. Here we go. Never run with a scissor in your hand. That's like what my mom always told me. Well, little shipment from MapTun. Or MapTun Performance. This is I ordered this, I believe. What was this? I believe I ordered it last week, I believe. I believe this was last week. I'm not completely sure. But it came here for some reason. When the package from MapTun comes from Sweden to Norway, it for some reason goes to France first. So that was interesting. And my friend of mine also ordered something from MapTun, and the exact same thing. So let's see what I got here. Well, that tape was not very strong. This is a professional camera angle right here. Be careful not to cut too deep. It's probably enough. Let's see here. Oh, that was enough. So a lot of paper, like a lot of it. Oh yes. So well, I ordered more than I thought I did. So okay, so I ordered. These are bolts and studs, or studs for the exhaust manifold. I believe these are nuts for the turbo. These are, what was a little package set? Yeah, it's okay. It's a valve cover gasket. I believe these are, let's see. These are the main crank bearing, and these are the rods, I believe. That's what it looks like, at least. So 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's for the rods, and these are for the crank. So that's cool. Got some of those. Oh, intake manifold gaskets. Let's see. Didn't remember I ordered so much. But I'm doing a complete engine rebuild, or almost complete engine rebuild. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Not sure if I'm going to replace it though. Let's see. I'm going to see what I'm going to do. If I'm going to take off the intake or not. Might as well replace it. It's a metal gasket. It shouldn't go bad. But this is the exhaust manifold gaskets. No one knows how that looks like, so I'm not going to open that. And these are, well, turbo stuff, which looks like studs and nuts and washers and the gasket for the turbo there. And the drain tube for the turbo. Not sure if I'm going to use them. Hold on, let's see it open up here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, as I said, because the turbo on there, I'm pretty sure I'm going to rip that off at some point and replace the compressor wheel on it with a billet compressor wheel. So yeah, and here is the main thing you have to do when you replace or do something with the engine, replacing head gaskets. But this is not all. This is just some of it, because I haven't ordered all of it yet, because I want to prioritize the money a bit differently. So I ordered some of it now, and the rest is coming, well, hopefully in a couple of weeks, and then I can start rebuilding my engine and hopefully get a 2.3 engine in my car again. Because my car right now has a 2-liter in it, because that's a donor engine from my friend, because he had it from his parts car, and just so I can drive somewhere. So I'm gonna put this back in its bag here. So yeah, the 2-liter is a weak engine compared to the 2.3. I can say that much, and it is tuned. The problem with the 2-liter It's not that it has power potential, because if you tune it, it goes pretty well. But the problem is, at low RPMs, it's completely garbage. I mean, oh my god, that's so bad. 2.3s are way more torqueier, way more drivable, if I want to say it that way. So, and what I like, these are Saab OEM parts. Well, not the head gasket, but it should be fine. I installed one of the head gaskets on my friend's Aero, and it was fine, so it's fine. Also, well, also getting, I don't have them here, but I have head bolts and piston rings and a complete set of gaskets are also on its way in a couple of weeks, I believe. So yeah, that's from MapTun. That's exciting. I love things that comes from MapTun or speed parts or anything like that. So thanks for watching this video, and well, stay tuned for more.